Hey everybody, Sam back once again, and in today's video we're looking at this bad boy. Yes, this is the leather wallet case from my friends over at Mujjo. I want to say thank you to them for sending this to me for today's video. I was sent it a little bit ago, or quite a while ago to be honest with you. But like a lot of my products, I've actually been backlogged quite a while due to a lot of personal problems. But anyway, forget about that stuff. Here it is, the leather wallet case. On the back of the box, just a bit of information about it, as you can see there. So it's got the pocket to hold 2 to 4 bank cards, 2 to 3 bank cards, leather bezels, rise 1mm off the edge of the screen, yada yada. I'm going to show you the actual case out, let's be honest. So, a bit more information there for you. This is really hard to read, by the way, if they want to fix this for next time. This is really hard to read. So yeah. But anyway, boom. Look at that. Looks beautiful, right? Let's just take it out, and that is it. That's the unboxing experience. Really nice, good quality box, as I like to see. Here it is. How nice is that? Super soft in there. Looks bloody fabulous, doesn't it? I must admit. So as you can see here, it's actually got the really nice stitching around it. The little Mujjo logo there. Taking it around it. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Anyway, let's put the phone in there and I'll show you it properly. Best way, slide it in, push it down, bob. There she goes, she's in there then. I must say, it feels nice when it's in your hand. The one thing, I'll get out of the way, the one thing I don't like about this case is the zero protection here at the bottom. I would have liked it to go all the way around, just like the top does. That's the only criticism I've got with regards to the way the case actually is. I just would have liked it. That's just, again, it's a personal preference. Just because, I don't know, it looks very mucky. It gets very dirty as this phone. So I would have liked it to cover the whole of it. But it might be a design choice. It might be something they couldn't do. Who knows? So we can see here it's got the power button. Going up to the top. Absolutely nothing. There we go. Down this side, you've got the little cutout for the silencer, and then the volume up and down. And again, that big cutout at the bottom where it's just for no. On the bottom of it, on the back of it, you've got the cutout for the cameras. And as you can see, it is slightly raised, ever so slightly. I don't know if you can kind of just see it. So the actual cameras, when you do put it down, you don't have to worry about it. And on the front of it, it's got a nice little lip again. Now, I've got a screen protector on here, but it's still got a nice little lip. So, boom. As Flossie Carter would say, it is Slam Boy certified. Yeah. And then here's where your actual card goes. So, obviously, you can take that card out of there. You don't have to have a card in there if you don't want to. They do sell one without the card on there, which would generally be my personal preference because I don't really carry cards with me like this anymore. I generally use Apple Pay. But if you do, then boom, you've got that on the back of it. And again, it can hold 2 to 3 cards in the back of there. So yeah, happy days. Overall, the quality of the materials, second to none. Absolutely fantastic. Again, the only criticism is the look at the bottom. But apart from that, I think it looks absolutely stunning. Especially in this colour with regards to the gold phone. I think it's just it looks absolutely beautiful. What do you reckon? Huh? Would you pick one up? Let me know in a comment down below. If you are new to your channel, then go on, smash the like button, smash, and subscribe. It is completely free. If you want to know about this or anything else from Mujjo or anyone else, again, hit me in the comments down below. Really quick before I do go, I forgot to tell you that the actual buttons themselves are pretty damn easy to press in. So I can kind of show you that there. It's nice and easy to press in and out, as you can probably see. Super easy. And the volume buttons are identical as well. Very easy to actually control. Anyway, thank you. And Sam, finish it off. Anyway, people, once again, I want to say thank you for watching. And you'll hopefully see me. Well, you might not see me, but you'll definitely see these puppies, along with some amazing products like this, in my next video. Cheers, everyone.